Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're taking a look at watch straps. Watch straps for your Series 1, 2, 3, or 4 Apple Watch. Let's go ahead and check them out. So if you've been watching the channel, you'll notice that I have a series of smartwatches that I'm wearing. And with that series of smartwatches, I also have bands. I constantly switch out my bands. I'm a firm believer that accessorizing your watch by switching the bands gives that watch a brand new look and feel. It allows you to match the clothes that you're wearing. And today we're going to take a look at a full series of watch bands. These watch bands are from Laut. Let's check and see the series that we're going to cover so you can check them out, because I get a feeling that you're going to want to pick one of these up.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Alright guys, so as you can see here, we have a full variety of watch bands that we're going to take a look at. But before we go into it, we're going to take a look at what does it take to actually switch out a watch band, because maybe you've never done that before. So first, I just want to show you in the back of this watch, you'll notice that there are 2 points here and here. What you do is you just press in, and when you press in, you'll be able to slide this out. So I'm just going to push my nail in here, and then that's how easy it comes out. So again, you'll see that little button right there. All you do is press that, and then the watch band will come out. I'll do the same thing with this one right here. This is another watch band that I've been using on my Apple Watch. But then once you do that, really, that's all there is to it. So these watch bands all come with this connector right here that's going to allow you to swap the bands out. So let's take a look at our first watch band, and we'll see how it looks on the Apple Watch Series 4. Now the first watch band we're going to take a look at is the MIlano series, and I just want to get a little bit closer so you can see all the features there, and you'll notice what it supports and the colors that we have here. So they're genuine leather, right, and with the steel buckle. So you can see what that looks like, and we'll bring that down a little bit. On the back, you can see all the important info that it's genuine leather, and we'll come in a little closer. All right. All right, let's go ahead and open them up and see what they look like. All right, so taking a closer look at these, you'll notice that, first of all, the leather material on these is pretty thick, which I really like. This is going to be something that's going to keep that durability up. And the stitching in all of these, and we're not going to look at the craftsmanship on every single one, but just wanted to highlight the overall quality. So look at how clean the stitching is. Everything is nice. The texture that you have for the leather. These are all the things that I look at a high quality band, and something that's going to have a lot of durability. That you don't have any loose thread anywhere. You can see that the back is stamped with the genuine leather look, and even the bottom area right here, you'll notice that that's nicely in place. So literally all we're going to do is we're going to slide our bands into our Apple Watch. So I'm just going to take the side right here, put it in just like that. You saw how easy it went in. Taking it out looked a little bit more difficult because you have to push that button, but watch how easy it is to just snap it in place just like this, and then you're set to go. So now if I want to see what this looks like, this is what it looks like in the wrist. It's a really good looking strap, and you notice that even though it's kind of stainless, or the steel series, it doesn't look bad with the black, which I have on mine, or that gray color. So take a look at that again. It looks really, really nice. And the other thing I like is that it has a nice clasp. All right, so now this is what the green one would look like. Again, we're still looking at the MIlano strap series. And again, really, really beautiful finished leather. Same thickness that we saw earlier with that strap. Very, very well done. And for those of you who like green, I'll tell you, I'd wear this. I love the color. I think it looks great on the Apple Watch. Now the next watch in the watch strap series that we're going to be looking at is the technical strap. So we're going to get a little bit closer. You can see the details on these. So this is the watch strap, and again you can see that it supports the same ones. And this is a nylon watch band. All right, so let's go down so you can see that. And again, you can see durable nylon, and the cool thing is that it's water resistant. All right, so let's see what these look like on our wrist. Now I'm really digging this green. This is kind of almost like a military green. You can see that. And as we get a little bit closer, you can see again that this is nylon material. But once again, look at the high quality craftsmanship around the stitching, how everything is nicely aligned. And then it has kind of a leather underside to it. So see that genuine leather, even though it's nylon. I like that treatment. Love the color of the clasp, and actually it matches my watch. And as I put it on, I'll tell you right off as I put it on, I really like this one. The strap itself is a little stiff, but it's not stiff where it feels like it's going to cut into your skin at all. With some wear, I'm sure that this is going to be very flexible. Let's take a look at that again. And you can see what the thickness looks like right there. Okay, so again, very, very, very good looking watch strap. All right, so this is the other technical watch strap. Same material, but black. I'm digging this one as well. I'm going to probably say that for every single one. I love watch straps. So this looks really sharp too. And again, it has that dual material, right? Nylon on top, leather on the bottom. Pretty sharp looking. All right, so the next two watches that we're going to look, watch straps that we're going to look at is the Safari watch strap. And let's take a closer look at both of these. So this is a genuine leather watch strap with the stainless steel buckle, right? And let's see if there's anything special in the back. There you go. All right, so let's take a look at each one of these. We'll start with the black one first. All right, so this is the first of the Safari, so let's take a closer look. Once again, look at the quality of the stitch. Leather on the bottom. Now this is the thing that I'm really impressed with. Look how thick that material is. Very, very thick leather, which is going to give you a really nice look and feel. You know, if you think about Valentine's Day coming up, if you think about anyone's birthday, someone that has everything and you know they have an Apple Watch, this is a great gift just to give them a strap, right? Look at that. So I think that this is very much a guy-looking band, but definitely this would work for a woman as well. I just like the overall feel, and the material I think is pretty fantastic. All right, guys, so here is the last of the Safari. Look how nice that looks. And I like this combo, you know, when you go from the black to the brown like this. Again, really, really thick material, but it's flexible, right? So when you have it on, it doesn't really cut into your skin. Feels really good, and it looks great too. All right, so next we're working our way towards the Heritage series, and here are the two Heritage bands that we have. And these have an interesting look to them because they have this kind of cutout. You're going to see this in a second. But once again, Heritage, genuine leather, stainless steel. You know, you can see all the details there. In the back, you can see genuine leather, stainless steel, buckle and connectors. And this one has a breathable design. All right, let's go ahead and check and see what these look like. All right, guys, I have to say right off the bat, as soon as I opened up the box and I saw it, I said, I dig this one. This has to be right now, of all the ones I saw, my favorite. Check it out. So really, really looks nice here. I love the string material that's coming out right here, the stitching. See that? The thick leather material, again, really, really nicely well made. Look at that. And this just looks sharp. I'm telling you, look at this. Look how that looks. All right, that's gonna make a statement. That's a nice looking band. And again, great for Valentine's Day, great as a gift. Sharp. What do you think? Let me know in the comment area. All right, guys, so this is the last of the Heritage. And again, take a look at that strap. Also really good looking band. Let me know which one you prefer, the first one or the second one. Again, here you see is what it would look like. I kind of like the other one because I like the creamy color of the material that's right there. But this is what it looked like. And you can see the class that it has. Really, really good looking bands. Now guys, I did miss in my pack that I had one more Heritage, right? So we've looked at this one right here. We looked at this one, which I said was my favorite. But now we have this one too, which is a full black one. Let me know what you think about this one, because I'm kind of torn. I'm torn between these two. All right? So take a look at this one and tell me which one you prefer. Take a look at the look. All right, there it is. Do you prefer the other one or this one? All black. Let me show you how it looks on. I like the material, the overall aesthetics of it. I just think that, you know, you see so many people with Apple watches, but they all look the same, right? Because they don't really change out the band. And I just think that I like switching out my bands for where, you know, depending on what I'm wearing. So I like dressy bands, I like fun bands, I like active bands, and I just don't see enough people taking advantage of what they can do with their watch straps. So again, let me know which one you think is better looking. The one with the actual light material here, you know, the beige material, or this full black one. Now I had one more that I had missed that I just want to show you. So this is a gray version. So you can see it right here. Same look and feel, still a bit torn between the black and the one with the brown with the beige, but this is the other version that they have as well. Almost done, guys. So now we're taking a look at the active series, and we have 4 that we're going to take a look at. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Now, from a close-up perspective, just so you can see the details there, these are, I would say, probably the most athletic ones. And you'll notice over here that it is TPU, easy to clean, and then it has the same strap. So we'll take a look at, and they're very colorful when you can see the color range. Let's check them out. All right, so I would put the active version in the fun category. These are fun colors, and also the material feels fun too. So you'll notice that really simple, but nice craftsmanship as well. Very thick material, and as I put this on, you notice how that looks. Again, this is where I put it in the fun category. Working out, going yoga, whatever you're gonna do, this would be from an active perspective. It's definitely a nice one to have. All right, so here's the next color. Again, same look. Again, it's all going to come down to color preference. Now, for those of you who like earth tones or a neutral color, this looks great. Put it right here. See what that looks like right there. Pretty sharp looking as well. All right, guys, so this is the last of the active line. Again, if you like this color, that's what it would look like. Very nice. All right, so we have one more for the active line that was kind of like in a smaller box. This may be a newer model, but it's black. So you can see that right here. And I wanted to show you again, how fast you can swap bands. All you do is slide it in just like that, and you can do this. This is why, literally, I kid you not, those of you who know me personally, I carry watch bands in my bag. So here you go. This is what the black one looks like. Very nice as well. All right, so we have 3 Oxford straps. So take a look at that. And we have one in the different packaging and one in the longer packaging. And I think the features are pretty much the same. So you're looking at genuine leather with a steel buckle. And for those of you who want a little close-up, let's go ahead and see what they look like. This I like. So this is more of the traditional looking band. One of the things I like is how the material here comes up. So let me put this right here so you can see, and I'll put it in an angle. See how that looks? So nice leather material. A little bit different, right? So, but it is still genuine leather. But I really like the way the stitching. You can see how clean that is again, all the way throughout. It just looks, very dressy. And you can see with each one of these bands how you're either going out to dinner, you're going out for a run, or you're just going to go out and have some fun. So that's what that one looks like. All right, guys, so take a look at this. This is what this guy looks like. And again, it has that same raised leather look. Go ahead and put it on. Again, very sharp looking. All right, so now the next 2 that we're going to take a look at is the Steel Loop series. Steel Loop. And these are pretty interesting, right? So let's get a little bit closer. You can see. So they're durable, they're tough. From the features on the back, you'll see a couple things is that they have a magnetic clasp, and they also have breathe-through. And you notice it's, again, highlighting durability. And they feature having a magnetic clasp. So let me show you how these look. Take this one out of the box. So notice how this looks right here. What we're going to do is we're going to put this on, and then we'll see how it looks on the wall. All right, so take a look at how this strap is going to work. So this is, again, it's a metal strap, and it has this magnetic area right here that locks into place once you size it. So what you'll do is you'll put it on like this, size it to your wrist, and then you'll just lock it into place just like this. So this is what it would look like, right? And if you want to adjust it, the magnet's not, it's a pretty strong magnet. So once it's in place, it doesn't really come out, but that's what the look would look like. Let's switch to the black one and see what that looks like. All right, for those of you interested in what the black one would look like, that's what it looks like right there. Remember, just all you had to do is adjust it, put it into the right position, and then it pretty much locks into place. It has a pretty strong magnet right there. What do you prefer? Do you like the leather, or do you like something that's magnetic like this? Also, what color would you go with? Let me know in the comment area. I think that this is pretty cool. Right, so this is our very last one. So this is the MIlano watch strap. Right, so this is, we'll take a look at this one right here. Genuine leather again, just a different color. So let's see what it looks like. All right, so this is our last band. Take a look at that. Again, really, really nice material. What it would look like on. This one's like super soft too. But that's what the look and feel is like. What do you think? So guys, what was your favorite watch band in the series? Did you like the steel loop? Or were you interested in maybe the Heritage line? Let me know in the comment area. And you know what? If there is a watch band manufacturer that you swear by that we need to bring on the channel to take a look at, let me know also, because I'll go ahead and request for them to send some bands our way and we'll do the same review. Now, I'll do these reviews also for Samsung watches as well as the Apple Watch. So just let me know in the comment area below which one you'd like to see. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.